everyone. Welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star the Flippin' Hippo. Today we're going to talk about a question that I get asked a lot every single day, all my messages and emails. Probably one of the top 3 questions I get asked most is, which eBay store subscription should I get? And then the follow-up question is always, well, how do I know when I should upgrade to the next level? When should I move up to a bigger store? And the answer comes down to a simple math problem. The minute that you're paying your store subscription fee plus the additional listings that you use, the minute that amount is greater than or equal to the next level store subscription, it's time to move up. Let me share my screen with you so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about, and you guys can see what I mean. So I have this here open. I'll link this down below for you. This is the Seller Center subscriptions and fees. It kind of compares everything for you. So, for instance, let's say you're brand new to eBay. You have a starter store. It comes with 250 listings. But eventually, you've grown beyond that. You have more than 250. So let's say you have, you're paying an additional 30 cents per listing. The minute that amount is greater to or equal to $21.95, which is the next store subscription, that's when you know it's time to upgrade, because you'd be saving money overall. So if you took the next store subscription, which is $21.95, and you pay $4.95 for the starter anyway, so that's a $17 difference. Divide it by 30 cents, around 56, 57 listings. So once you have 307 listings on a starter store, you're better off moving up to the basic store, because you're going to get 350 included for the same price that you were paying to have that 307 on the starter store. And then you would figure out the same math for the premium. So the premium costs $59.95 a month. So the difference between the price is $38. They're 25 cents a piece extra when you have a basic store and you go over 350. So we're going to divide this by that. So once you have about 502 listings, you're paying the same cost as a premium store subscription. So you're better off upgrading at that point to pay the $59.95 and get 1,000 listings for the same price that you were paying for 502 on the basic by the time you paid per listing plus your monthly fee. Now keep in mind that most of your listings are going to renew at the end of the month. Not everything you list is going to sell immediately right away or within the first month. A lot of it might, but not everything will. So if you have a lot of used clothing and plush and long tail items like we do, a lot of your items are going to keep rolling over. So you have to keep in mind that you are going to keep paying that extra per listing. So you're better off moving up the minute that you're paying the same amount that you would be paying anyway. Now, as far as figuring out which one to get started with, I always tell people, if you're brand new to eBay, start with the starter store. It costs $5 a month. You get 250 listings. You don't really get that much other benefits with it. You don't even get a coupon for the free supplies. But when you're just getting started, it's good enough. And then again, once you have about 306 listings, you can move up to the basic store and enjoy having 350. You're paying a little bit less when you go over. You're getting a $25 free shipping supply coupon per quarter. And then when it's time to move up to the premium, you can do that. We're still at the premium with over 2,000 listings. The anchor store is really expensive. It's $300 a month, and it includes 10,000 listings, $150 coupon per quarter for free shipping supplies. But you really have to have right around like 3,400 or more listings for the anchor store to be paying for itself. So a lot of your power sellers and volume sellers are at the premium level and just pay 10 cents per listing above the 1,000. I kind of feel like the premium store is where most folks will stall out and sit for the longest before they move up again. But if you're just getting started, $4.95 for the starter store. You get 250 listings until you're ready to move up. If you want to consider any of the other options, again, I'll put that link down below for you guys, and you can go through that chart and see what you get with each one and what would best fit you. But it's just a basic math problem. Just figure out how much you're paying for your monthly fee plus your extra listings. If that amount is equal to or greater than the next level store, you're better off moving up and paying the higher store subscription, but getting more listings included. And then each store level that you go up, you get extra goodies. Your shipping supply coupon that you get for free supplies goes up. The amount you pay when you go over goes down. You get more benefits as you go up. So just keep an eye on how many listings you have and what you're paying every month, and move up when it's time. If you guys have any more questions about store subscriptions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and help us feed a hungry hippo. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. There's a link down below for you. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. Bye.